My name is Bricia Lopez and I am the co-owner of Guelaguetza restaurant. I've always said Guelaguetza could not really live anywhere else. My father founded the restaurant, which was in 1994. The amount of diversity that you can find here, I think, is a true reflection and presentation of what Los Angeles really is. Los Angeles in general, it's a huge destination for people. It's really a hub for celebration. And Guelaguetza was really a big part of that. Where Guelaguetza thrives, we love creating an experience for people to come in and for them to feel like they are in Oaxaca, for them to feel they're in a very special place in Los Angeles. What COVID-19 has done for not just my restaurant, but for the restaurant industry in general, it's been a monumental shift for our industry. It decreased our income for like 90%, right? We used to have over 100 people working with us, and now we are less than 50. The Super Bowl is going to be the beginning of LA's biggest comeback. I think the comeback is always stronger, right? First of all, the economic impact for everyone in the service industry is going to be a much needed breath of fresh air. All of us who are in this industry are in much need of just feeling like things are going back to some sort of normality. I am excited to see all of our businesses flourish. I'm excited to see all our restaurants full. And I'm excited to see our beautiful diverse city thrive once again.